Yeah, this is Anthony Montag Manufacturing, and we're at the 6th annual StripTill conference in Peoria, Illinois. This conference is particularly for us been a really special one. This was the first year for the Ag Innovators Award, and we were able to be part of presenting that award to David Lugvald. And what an honor that is to be able to support and promote Strip-Till, nutrient placement, being good stewards. We'll have a humble and passionate candidate with David for that, and really honored to be able to participate in that. Yeah, weather has been a major challenge, honestly, starting in the fall of 18 all the way through. And I think this really heightens some of the best practices that come out of Strip-Till. One of the repeated questions during the conference so far that I've been asking people is, what was your experience planting this spring on your strip-tilled acres versus your conventional till or your other tillage practices? And how did it work? And I have yet to have someone tell me, you know what, it was a train wreck. They've all said, I wish I had more strip-till acres because I was on my strip-tilled ground first. It was my best planting conditions. My nutrient placement was giving me the results that I needed. And this was, who can you find out there that's old enough to remember a year worse than this? And it's working. So Strip-Till seems risky until you start talking and looking at bad years. And it's, for a lot of people coming out of this conference, it's going to be a priority to get more acres into Strip-Till. That's a rewarding thing to be hearing, so it works. Yeah, this year has been a good year for us. We've brought a new product out. We have our 2208, and pretty excited about that. Works as a great solution for doing cover crops. It's kind of our third release off of our Gen 2 platform, and as we get more and more product offerings coming off of that Gen 2 platform, we really get to see and appreciate even more the hard work that came into that design. Row-to-row accuracy, unparalleled in the industry. Sub 1% row-to-row accuracy, and that means something, especially in today's agriculture. Precision, being precise, that has a real lasting value. And the Gen 2 has been exceeding our expectations and those of our customers. And it's a consistent theme we hear as we interview people. Yeah, this is a knockout of the park. Row-to-row accuracy is important. Quality of our products, we've really focused on that over the last 5 years. And we've had substantial improvements there. Montag's always had a 3-year warranty on its product offerings. If you're making a purchasing decision, find out what that warranty is and talk to someone who has to use it. That's important. You get to live with that. We're there for 3 years. So, so embracing quality has been something that's really been driving value to us as a company, and more importantly to our customers who are using our products. So, got some exciting things. Gen 2 came out in 15. The Fortifier came out in 2017. Now we have the 2208 that we released this year. So nice platforms, high-end products that fit the need for agriculture today. We'll target the Fortifier as a product offering that we've developed. Fortifier is capable of applying 90 pounds to the acre at 10 miles an hour on a 120-foot boom or a 90-foot boom. Makes it a great solution for cover crop, makes it a great solution for side dressing urea, ESN, and other products into the market. So it's a fabulous solution, but it brings some deeper technology that comes out of Gen 2 into that offering. So we have an isobus rate controller with integrated isobus scales. Okay, that's common, but what's that deliverable? Well, with that, you can have an applied map that you get as a deliverable out of that. So you can feed a prescription into that. Having 2 bins means opportunities to do multiple things. Be that applying cover crops to different species or types and blending them. So giving you the ability to apply a custom mix or a prescription-driven map. So if you're wanting to put out a cover crop that's mainly focused for tillage and a cover crop that's mainly focused for erosion, you can focus that where you need it in your field and have a deliverable of what you did when you're done. Same with fertilizer. You can't hear anything about the buzz that we need to focus on our micronutrient side. Throw micros in one side and cover crops on the other. Think of that companionship, micros and cover crops being applied to a field. And again, with the drops coming down under the canopy, we don't have to worry about getting those micros in the whirl. We can put them down there and get some really good things happening. So being a title sponsor at the conference is a really special opportunity. We've been here for the entire conference. It's our 6th year for showing up and being a title sponsor. And it reinforces and heightens our understanding of what the industry is looking for to be here. It's one of the few opportunities in which I come here, I always learn something. I encourage people, come here. You have to really not try to learn to avoid it here. Both the learning and the networking. Those are the two deliverables that are delivered with such success here. And that's a great value even for us as a manufacturer and OE to be here as well. These are great learning opportunities. Getting to meet colleagues and grow relationships and see what other people are learning and how that's going for them. So that's a great thing.